If you prefer a data-based buying guide, then you are in the right place. Welcome to our channel. We are techies, not salesmen. No flashy words or biased opinions. We made this list based on the big data collected from customers, manufacturers, as well as our data providers. Thanks to our exclusive unsupervised learning AI system, analyzing and comparing all these products couldn't be more accurate or efficient. We list the best buy products and their competitive advantages. This list includes options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the updated prices on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below and feel free to subscribe. Okay, now let's start our list.
When the whirlwind hits your home, hit back with the most powerful suction around. A motorized brush bar digs up ground-in dirt. A cleaner head automatically adjusts with flexible cleaning across all floors. Goodbye, whirlwind.
Hi, sweetheart.
Hey, Mom.
Look at you. Your purple outfit and your bow.
Ugh, let's rewind. With the Hoover T-Series Rewind, it's lightweight, easy to maneuver, great on all floor surfaces with no loss of suction. Really get the dirt off the floor with more channels of suction. That's patented wind tunnel technology. So when you clean, do it right the first time with the Hoover Wind Tunnel T-Series Rewind.
Hoover, nobody does it like you.
You've got enough to do with kids and pets and projects and visitors and everything else, so why not worry about one less thing? The Bissell CleanView vacuum with OnePass makes cleaning fast and simple. Powerful suction and an innovative brush roll get that dirt the first time with one clean pass. And the CleanView dirt bin shows you the proof. The CleanView is lightweight and easy to carry, and so maneuverable, you can get to all those hard-to-reach messes. And the CleanView vacuum has other convenient features that make it even more effective, like built-in premium hose attachments for quick and handy cleaning anywhere. And cleanup is easy. The bottom empty dirt cup is built big, so you don't need to empty it every 10 seconds. You can manage cleaning on your own time with the washable pre-motor filter. Just follow simple directions to keep it clean to maximize performance and save you money. Bissell CleanView with OnePass. You're in, you're out, you're clean, you're done.